right now, the first level that every investor needs to be watching is this high of this tail right here, right? So that point, 24,240. So if we can have a daily close above that, that negates, that cancels out the topping tail. So that's your first spot. Next, notice this level right here, right? So if we go to, bear with me here, rectangle. So notice you have this low here and then this high here. So that's telling you there's resistance in that range, so that the next level is going to be 25,300. That's resistance. And then following that, you have this huge level here from the lows of 2021 through this consolidation right here. And that's right around 30,000. So those are your next stopping points on the bull side. On the downside, again, the big levels, we'd have to see if we break this little low here at 22,300. Then you have this level at 21.4, followed by 18.3, and then eventually double bottom at 15.6 or so.
So where do you see the Bitcoin price going in 2023, end of 2023 and end of 2025, and in long term by 2028?
I think for me, I would still be very cautious this year. I would not be shocked to see us break through the 16,000-ish area and maybe trek down to 12 to 13. Worst case would be like 9. I don't know if that'll happen this year, maybe early 2024. It's tough to know exactly on the timing, but ultimately, I think that there's a chance that whenever we do bottom, it'll be a coexistence bottom of the regulation occurring, which then starts to bring price up very quickly. I do think that price could bounce back to 20 to 25 again, maybe even 30, but it then may consolidate for a while. Generally, downside, I would say here, maybe a move up to 25,000, but that topping tail is concerning to me. And then ultimately, after that, I do think that wave down comes back in. I think it's going to shock a lot of people. And a lot of people have gone very, very bullish in the stocks and in crypto. But eventually we bottom out this year and hopefully, and we'll start to move up pretty quickly. And by 2028, I don't know. I mean, I would say 150,000.
So do you think, is there any possibility it's going, that price of Bitcoin going beyond 25K or?
Oh, in this move up, there's definitely always that possibility, right? So the bigger question is number one is, can we negate that topping tail? If we negate that topping tail, then 25,000 is your next stop. After 25, if we break through 25, then you have 30,000, and then actually you have a move up to about 40,000. I just think probability wise, right? So everything we look at is probability wise. Right now, the probabilities are slightly shaving to the downside. If we get through the topping tail high, then all of a sudden probabilities jump significantly to the 25,000 level, but then we have to break that. So for me as a trader, right, it's all about levels that are broken. You have to respect a resistance line until price gets over it. Once price gets over it, then the kind of the emotion kicks in again for investors, and you'll see that pop even higher. So again, it's just so hard to figure out.